So if you want to cancel your premium X subscription or your premium Twitter subscription, the one where you have that blue tick, what you need to do is log into X on your computer or desktop PC, and then you want to go down to where it says premium. And from here, it should say premium there at the top, and it says manage. So press manage, and it says manage your current subscription. From here, it says cancel subscription. So you press cancel subscription and then press next. And from here, it gives you some reasons why you may not want to cancel. Just press continue to cancel. And then there's an option here to cancel plan. And then you press cancel plan again. And then just put down the reason why you want to cancel it. Put it down in other reason. So I've put just don't need it. And then we submit that. And there we go. So the current plan cancels on the 19th of August. The last payment didn't get taken for me anyway, but it should still cancel as planned. So that's how you cancel your Premium X subscription or your Twitter subscription. If you have any questions about this, just leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.